Sarson Da Saag, Makki Ki Rotti, a typical Punjabi dish. Tastes delicious with fresh butter or pure desi ghee. A dish originated from the Punjab region of India and is popular all over northern India. This dish is a pure passion of Punjab and so satisfying dish for Punjabi farmers. Sri Akaal and happy Lohri to all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications on new recipes. Let's get started. I have taken 3 bunches of mustard leaves and 2 bunches of spinach leaves, which I washed in water to remove any dirt. Roughly chop all the leaves and keep them aside. Keep a saucepan in medium flame and add 1 cup of water and let it boil. Add the chopped mustard leaves. Now add the spinach leaves. Though it looks overfilling, in a few minutes of heating, it will quickly get compressed. It should not take much time to cook all the leaves. Don't cover it with any lid and avoid cooking it in a pressure cooker to retain all flavors and nutritions of green leaves. Now, add a medium green chili, 1/4 teaspoon salt and cook it for 2 minutes. Now the leaves are well cooked. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Then transfer it into a mixer jar. It is very important to keep the texture of the saag. Do not overblend or make it like paste. It took me 2 to 3 pulses to get to this texture. Keep it aside and let's prepare tadka or seasoning for saag. Heat a frying pan in medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of butter, and melt it. Then add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute it. Now add 1 whole red chilli and ½ tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Combine it well and saute it together till you get a good aroma of it. Once the garlic looks slightly roasted, it's time to add 1 large finely chopped onion and saute it till they become nice and translucent. Do not overcook or make the onions brown. Add 1 more green chili to it. Now add the blended leaves to it. And mix it well with seasoning. Add ½ teaspoon of Kashmiri Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm adding another ½ teaspoon of salt. You can add more if you want. Remember, we have already added salt while cooking the leaves. Give it a good mix. And let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now, add 2 tablespoons of maize flour, also known as cornmeal flour, that is Makki Ki atta, and mix it well. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Now let's prepare the final butter seasoning. For that, in a small pan, add a cube of butter and let it melt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Let it combine with the butter. Do not burn it. Let's pour it in the saag. With this final touch, Sarson Da Saag is ready. Now let's see how to make Makki Ki Rotti or Indian maize flour flatbread. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of maize flour or cornmeal flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give it a good mix. Now, take 1 cup of hot water and gradually add it and start mixing it. Initially, I mixed it with a spoon and now I'm using my hand to mix it. It's important to knead it well for a few minutes until you get a soft dough like this. Now it looks ready. Cover it with the lid and rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of resting, let's make the roti. While we roll the roti, let's heat a pan in a medium flame. I have taken a butter paper, dust some maize flour on it. Now, take a small portion of the dough and make it round and keep it on butter paper. Press it with your fingers. Dust some more flour on top of it. Gently tap it with fingers. Now, take a roller and gently roll it in all the sides without pressing it too hard. It takes time to gain the skill to roll roti to near perfection. This time, I took my mom's help. Now, gently remove the butter paper and put the roti on the heated pan. Wait for a minute and turn it on the other side and let it cook. Now, take it out from the pan and cook it directly in the burner flame to get the smoky and authentic flavor. It looks ready. Spread some butter on the roti. Add a cube of butter on top of the saag while serving to give a mouth-watering taste. Now the delicious Sarson Da Saag with Makki Ki Rotti is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.